Step into the 2008 Toyota Sienna. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and power seats. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.